Hello everyone, let's quickly begin with episode 9. Let's learn the use of fillet, chamfer and blend curve. We will be using these two boxes as a sample to show you the use of all the three important tools. If you click on the down arrow there, you can see the fillet. Now click on it and let's see how to use fillet. Type R and enter and then again a number for the radius R, for suppose we took 3 inches and then click enter. Now click the two perpendicular lines and see it curved according to the radius. Now you can right-click or press spacebar and repeat the fillet all over. Now if you want to use a different number for radius, then again go to fillet, type R. And then suppose 8 inch and enter. Now again do the same process as before and you can see you got a bigger curve because of the bigger radius number. Fillet done. Now let's learn how to use chamfer with these samples. If you click on the down arrow there, you can see the chamfer. Now there are two ways you can do. One is long method and one is shortcut method which uses chamfer. In the long method, we connect lines by clicking on the straight line tool and joining the two lines as shown. And then repeat the same process and join the other line as well by right-clicking on the mouse and repeat line. Now let's see the shortcut method done by chamfer. Click on chamfer and then click on the two lines you want to join and see how easily it's done. Now right-click or click spacebar and repeat the same thing and chamfer is done. Now let's see the blend curve tool. Click on the blend curve. Now click the two lines for a curved kind of pattern. And you can similarly create different kind of curve patterns and create a unique and chic look to your drawing. Also note that this tool is not so used so you can explore yourself and create your own patterns through it. Thanks for watching.